There's been a lot of excitement in the drone world lately. So much so, this excitement may influence me to purchase a drone that I normally would be hesitant to buy. We're going to talk about why I decided to purchase my first DJI drone and up my game with the new MAVIC Air 2. Coming right up. Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. If you're new here and you like drone reviews and drone related stuff, go ahead and start by hitting that subscribe button and that notification bell so you know the next time I post my videos. Now, unless you've been living under a rock for the last week or so, you know that DJI just announced a release event scheduled for Monday, April 27th, 2020 at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, based off the leaked information out there, this upcoming event will feature the new MAVIC Air 2. So up until now, I've never spoken about a DJI drone simply because I never owned one or flown one. However, a few months ago, I had the opportunity to purchase a MAVIC Mini, but I decided to purchase the Zeno 2 instead. But in hindsight, I should have just purchased the MAVIC Mini. So if you haven't seen the story about the Zeno 2, I'll leave a link right here on the screen and also in the description down below. But at the time, the MAVIC Mini didn't really do it for me. I was looking for something with more features around the same price, and the fact that it was under 250 grams really didn't matter to me since I was already registered with the FAA under my other drones, so that wasn't really too important. So you're probably asking why now? And why the MAVIC Air 2? We'll go over that in a minute, but right now, let's go over what we know so far about the new MAVIC Air 2. Now, based off the most recent leaked photos and information, the MAVIC Air 2 resembles the MAVIC 2 series, but slightly smaller. It has been confirmed that this model will have an improved battery life. Now, the maximum flight speed will be somewhere around 68.4 kilometers per second, which equates to 42.5 miles per hour. And of course, it'll have obstacle avoidance sensors just like the previous model. Now, the MAVIC Air 2 will have the ability to shoot 48 megapixel photos and 4K video. However, the 4K video, it is unknown what the maximum frame rate will be. And also, like the previous model, it'll have its intelligent flight modes such as Active Track 3.0, Point of Interest 3.0, and quick shots. And one other thing we know for sure is that the MAVIC Air 2 will have AirSense, which receives ADS-B signals from airplanes and helicopters to warn if they're nearby. Now, the controller will have a different look from the previous model. Now, based off of information obtained from the recently leaked manual, the new controller will have OcuSync 2.0 and will be able to transmit an FPV signal up to 1080p in resolution. Now, if the starting price remains at what it's rumored to be at $799, that'd be a good price for me. Now, back to the question why. Previously, I've only purchased the budget drones, like the Fimi X8SE, or the Zeno 2, or the JJRC X12. Now, something like the Autel Evo 2 is a little bit out of my price range, but if $799 stands, I'm willing to up my budget just slightly to purchase my first DJI. So April 27th is just around the corner, and I'm sure we'll know everything else we need to know about the MAVIC Air 2. But in the meantime, let me know in the comments below if you're going to be purchasing the new MAVIC Air 2. And as always, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell for future content. So you guys stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.